All right, here we go. Hey guys, welcome back to So Love. We are out here in the garden today. Of course, I have Melvin and Abigail. Today's video is a collaboration with Ultimate Gardening. I'll link his information down below, but he is an awesome kid doing a lot of cool things in his garden. So please do check his video out. So today, what are we planting?
Carrots.
We
inside
are
this tray.
well, not inside here. Y'all mix the soil. Y'all remember what kind of soil is in here?
There's kind of like worm stuff.
Worm castings. What else? Not that yet. Do you remember anything? What's in here, Abby? Worm castings.
Tiny rock.
The perlite.
This?
Not yet.
Oh.
We use compost, some black cow. We use peat moss and rock minerals. Okay, so that's our cool soil mix.
The
Okay,
white little rocks are the rocks and minerals.
those are the perlite. The rock minerals is kind of like the powder, remember? So that you can't really see that well. So like I said, this is a collaboration video with Ultimate Gardening. We are going to be planting Chanterelle red core carrots. So we'll probably do like 2 packs. So carrots are kind of a tricky crop to get to germinate. So I have a couple of ways I've done it, and the way I'm showing you today is the way I've been most successful with planting the carrots. So follow along. Let's do a carrot growing challenge. Let's see who can grow some carrots. We have been getting small carrots, but I think, you know, the more we do it, the bigger they get. So fingers crossed we get a big crop of carrots. So
Ray.
let's go ahead and fill our grow bag. So we're going to plant in this grow bag that I've been using. You know, I purchased these from Dollar Tree. So on the bottom, we're going to fill with just leaves from this black bag. All right, y'all come help me fill the bag. Let's move this down a little bit. All right, get the leaves. You can put your gloves back on if you want. You don't want them. Leaves in the bag.
Is this kind of like the topsoil? I mean, like maybe pretend that is the bottom soil, and this is the topsoil, maybe. Like,
Well, we're putting leaves in the bag because leaves will break down and turn into soil over time. Are you going to help? Come on up. So leaves will turn into soil over time. And then, guys, keep in mind, like I said before, you don't have to put like all your good soil in the bag. So we're going to go about halfway with leaves. And I think, Melvin, that's the last handful. This will break down, turn into soil, enrich the soil, and hopefully feed our carrots as they continue to deep dive into the grow bag. All right, let's go ahead and add our soil mix. Abby, come on.
Melvin, you have my shovel.
I know.
Slow down. We want to get the dirt in the bag, okay?
Okay.
So Melvin has my shovel.
Let me add a little bit of water into the bag.
Is the water hose on?
It is.
Okay.
Hold on, Abby. So we're adding a little bit of water just so it doesn't get too dry way down here at the bottom of the bag. And I probably should have added a little bit right on top of the leaves, but it's all right.
It will go on the leaves.
Yeah, it'll go down. You think so?
Yeah.
All right, let's go ahead and keep
Adding. Our mixed soil.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, can I use that?
Okay, hold on.
You can have another bucket.
Go here.
How will you? Make sure has lots of texture, maybe. Ooh. I thought when we put in the leaves, I thought it would get full, but no.
Well, the leaves are, that's a good question, but the leaves are, you know, they're weighed down by the weight of the dirt in the water, so.
Yeah, so the leaves are light, really light, so they can squish down.
That's right. We're almost there. We're not going all the way to the top.
We're just going a bit, well, almost to the top.
Yeah, we'll do each of us about 2 more fulls. So,
I'm not doing our last one.
shovelfuls, potfuls. All right, awesome. Get. All right, Abby, that's good.
Okay.
All right, so our next step is to add in our fertilizer. So we're gonna put this Joby's in, and we're gonna add the bone meal. So this, y'all should recognize this bag. I've been using this all season. It's a 253, and the bone meal is a good source of phosphorus. So this will help with the carrot development, the root development. All right, so Melvin, hold on to that. We'll add that smell y'all like.
It's not the smell that we don't like.
All right, so
Yeah, it is now.
add that in. Hold on, Abby. We'll mix it all together. Not the whole thing. Get lower into the bag so we don't make a cloud of smoke. A little bit more. Keep going.
Oh, you're making a cloud of smoke.
Cloud of smoke. All right, we're gonna mix this in.
I'll help you.
Come on, helper. You gonna help? Any big chunks y'all see, guys? Just try, Abby. Gentle.
I saw one which you mixed.
Any big chunks y'all see, try to crumble up. All right, I think that's good, guys. Let's add a little bit of water.
So it could be mixed. So it could be like mixed up.
Well, you want to always want to water it in so it gets into the soil and helps to really
Grow more.
feed the plants when we're ready to put the seeds in. All right, so you always want to, whenever you're planting tiny seeds like carrots, you always want to water before you put the seeds, because of course if you come in with the strong, or even just water in general, you're more likely to move the carrots. So I think that's good. Let's grab our carrots, guys. We're ready.
Ready for carrots. And they're also yummy too.
They are yummy.
And sweet.
They are. You think the carrots that you had out the garden are more sweet than the ones you had
A little
from the
bit.
store a little bit?
Yeah,
think
but
so.
I do like the ones from the store too.
Yeah, we haven't had a huge carrot come out the garden, so with luck, guys, hopefully we'll have some big carrots coming out the garden. Make
Why are you
sure.
making
Yep.
the holes?
Well, no, that's not what we're gonna do. Smooth that over. So remember when we planted the other carrots, what did we put on top?
Dirt.
Well, dirt, more so, but it was a bag, right? So carrots need to touch the soil. Okay, Abby. Oh, never mind. Carrots need to touch the soil in order to germinate. Come on over here because your back is towards the camera. All right. So carrots need to touch the soil in order to germinate. So what we're going to do is sprinkle our carrots on top. Y'all, you can take your gloves off. And we'll thin these out later. I normally don't worry about like doing perfect rows with carrots. So just so you know what the seeds look like. That's them right there.
Let me see.
So that's carrot seeds.
Wow.
Very small.
Really, really
So open your
small.
hand. We're just gonna gently, we'll sprinkle them all together. Hold on, Abby, I'll give you some. Hold on, hold on. I said we'll sprinkle them all together. So there's, hold on to them. Hold on. Let me get my bag.
They look like tiny seeds.
I
They
thought you
are
said we were
tiny
going to
seeds.
use 2 bags.
We'll do 3. This is a pretty good size bag. Let me
Mommy.
show y'all what we're gonna do and then y'all copy me, okay? Hold on. So we're just gonna sprinkle them across and y'all do the same thing, okay? Making sure they kind of get evenly spread out. Hold on. Push
Just
that
even
bag
ready.
up. All right, y'all do the same. Get lower, Abby, so they don't fall out by mistake.
This is nice.
Stay over the dirt just in case some fall. We want them to fall into the bag. There we go. Oh, almost there. So each bag had, let's see, each pack had 250 seeds. Likely they won't all germinate. If they do, you know, and we're gonna have to thin them out anyway, but I'd rather have more, especially with carrots. Don't put any more dirt. I'd rather have more, especially with carrots, than not enough.
I have,
So
I have a question. What
What's
does germinate mean?
Germinate is when the seed starts to form into a plant.
Oh.
So when it sprouts up, so in a seed, in the seed, Melvin, there's enough energy for the plant to pop out of that seed shell. Once it pops out of that seed shell, that's when we have to start adding fertilizer and things like that. Okay, that's pretty cool, huh? That's a great question. So now we're going to take a bag and put it on top to allow the carrots to germinate. So we're going to block them from light, but we're also going to put some boards on top to make sure that they have contact with the soil. All right, so we'll put that here. Where are those boards you got, Melvin? There we go. So I'm going to just press down a little bit. There we go. Put one. There. There. Is there one more?
No, but
There's one more. Oh, there it is.
I did not see that. That's a perfect size.
And there. All right. So, again, you just want to make sure that the carrot seeds have contact with the soil to allow them to germinate. And I'll show you some carrots that we planted just like this out in the kids' garden and then in another little spot. And I'll show you some that are mixed in with some radishes. All right, Melvin, you want to show Abby, Melvin, let's show them the carrots that we planted. Grab that, let me get the phone. All right, let's show them y'all's carrots y'all planted.
There's a red over here.
And
they're looking tiny. Some of them are really tiny. Some of them are bigger than the tiny ones. Some are medium. And they are starting to go.
Let's see. We didn't put the date on when we put these out. It was about a good month and a half ago. So we did, you can see the spot where the board was, and you know, some germinated, some didn't. That's why I was saying I just went on and used all 250 in each pack.
We probably plant them around February.
You think it was February?
Yeah.
That sounds about right. Let's show them these. So the other ones we did with the board. These we did with a bag. So I'm not sure if it was just the luck of the draw or what, but we had definitely better germination on these. I think, Melvin, these are the ones that we planted earlier, and the other ones came a little later. Let's see if we,
Big carrot.
those Dollar Tree labels failed me. So you can see if you look down into the roots, you know, some are a little close, some are not, or a little spread out. But I'm not going to stress it too much, because once you start to pick and harvest the carrots, that'll just leave more room for other carrots around it to grow and get bigger. So I'm not going to stress thinning it out too much. There's one more spot, y'all. Let's show them. Right over here. So this is another grow bag that I put in some, bless you, some radishes, which I just thinned out the other day, and then you can see some carrots kind of sprinkled through there. Y'all see the little carrots?
Yeah, I see.
So we just did this, this might have been about 4 weeks ago. And y'all know radishes like grow like crazy. But after about 2 weeks, you know, you could start seeing the little green sprouts. Y'all come over here with me. Why are you way over there? Come right here. Okay. All right. So the next step, after about 2 weeks, the carrots will germinate. Sometimes it might take 3 to 4 weeks, but don't give up hope, because carrots take a while to germinate. What I'll do is come out and take the bag off and allow them to grow. So carrots, just check your bag where your seeds came in. Normally they take at least 70 days or more to grow, but it is like a crop you kind of grow for the for the long haul. So it is a good idea to succession plant carrots. So that's pretty much what we're doing. So we have some that we started, you know, 3 months ago, some we started 2 months ago, and some we started, you know, not that long ago, and then of course these today. So we will give you an update on our carrots once they start germinating and once they start forming leaves. So we're excited about our carrots in our garden. Please do find us on Instagram for more daily updates. Please do find us on Instagram for more daily updates. I'll share some pictures and just different things going on in the garden. And if you do stop by on Instagram, say hey to Melvin and Abigail. I'll pass along your hello to them. So thank you so much for being here with us today. Y'all want to take it out?
Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe and ring the bell to be notified.
Yeah. Bye.
Peace.
Bye, guys.